I've often been asked by producers whether it is absolutely essential to obtain a location agreement or release before filming on private property. It is if producers do not want to be exposed to civil and possibly criminal liability. Hi, James Pacitti, entertainment attorney and production counsel in Los Angeles. When you shoot on public property, you virtually always need to obtain a filming permit from the local municipality or city in which you're filming. When you shoot on private property, it is absolutely essential that a properly drafted and executed location agreement or release is obtained. A location agreement grants the production the right to enter onto a property, conduct filming, and depict the property. For the agreement to be valid, the production company needs the signature of the owner of the property or the owner's designated representative. I've seen instances where producers secure the written and sometimes just oral consent of a manager or other staff member who in some instances is a friend of one of the producers. Such consent or agreement is very likely legally meaningless because such persons did not have the authority to grant the rights to access the property. This is important for several reasons. If permission is not obtained from the owner, then the producers can have both civil and criminal liability for trespass and damage to the property if it occurs. In addition to permission to enter the property, the location agreement grants the production the right to depict the property in their film, TV program, or other media project. Otherwise, even if the producers don't get prosecuted for trespass or face any kind of civil penalties or liability, they will not be able to use the location in their project. In addition to be able to depict the location, the agreement must provide that the producers can depict the trademarks, the logo, the trade dress of the business. The owner must also agree that the production is not required to use any of the footage, nor will the production be obligated to depict the location in any particular way. And this is very important because this aspect of the location agreement protects the production, as the owner has to release any claims for trespass, invasion of privacy, trademark infringement, and defamation and other claims and violations that will protect the production from any liability and allow them to use the footage as they see fit. Securing a location agreement for each location depicted is extremely important to both protect the producers and the production, and to also allow them to use the footage obtained as they see fit. If you have any questions or if you have a project you wish to discuss, don't hesitate to contact us.